6 reasons why you might be feeling unattractive, even though you absolutely rock. First, you might be comparing yourself to others, especially on social media where people only showcase their best moments. Second, negative self-talk can significantly impact how you see yourself. Challenge those thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Third, you might be neglecting self-care. Taking time for yourself, whether it's through exercise, grooming, or relaxing, can boost your confidence. Fourth, past experiences, such as bullying or toxic relationships, can leave lasting scars on your self-esteem. It's crucial to work through these experiences, possibly with the help of a therapist. Fifth, stress and lack of sleep can take a toll on your appearance and how you feel about yourself. Ensuring you get enough rest and manage stress effectively can make a noticeable difference in how attractive you feel. Finally, unrealistic beauty standards set by society can make anyone feel inadequate. Embrace your unique features and focus on what makes you special. Ultimately, true attractiveness goes beyond physical appearance. It's about self-confidence, how you carry yourself, and how you treat others. You are beautiful just the way you are.